Here's a story about how I fed an elephant. Started with a car journey, a really, really long car journey. Almost 2 hours on the road. We sat wondering when we're actually going to get there. First stop was the monkeys, because, you know, everyone loves monkeys. Is it boggy? This was followed by some butterflies. They weren't that interested. We found a meerkat shortly after this, which was great because everyone loves those fuzzy little guys.
Hayley, don't be cross the lady.
Oi!
Hey, you look through the glass.
What are you doing? Brad found some ducks after that, which was great. They weren't as friendly as the meerkats or the butterflies, but neither were the wolves. The wolves weren't that friendly either. Brad didn't seem to agree too well with the wolves, which didn't end well for him, and it didn't end well for the wolves because they got the birdie as we left.
You're going to freak out, aren't you?
Okay, so this was it. This was the bit that I've been waiting for. I'd already fed a giraffe, which was weird because it kind of wrapped its tongue around and but yeah, and then there was the elephants. I was really excited about feeding the elephants, so yeah.
You want to put it in? No! Oh God!
It was great. Elephants are absolutely amazing creatures, and I've got to say that it was weird seeing it in that context. It was free. It could do what it wanted. So yeah, we fed the elephant. Elephants are amazing creatures, as I say. I'm also going to leave a link in the description to a charity called Save the Elephants that help different elephants in different occasions, such as ivory poaching and things like that. So if you do want to obviously go and donate, by all means go and donate because it really helps, and it stops them being in enclosures and all that. So yeah, by all means go give that, which helps out a lot. Lastly, we decided it would be good to have a bit of a play. So it was starting to get cold, it was starting to get late in the afternoon, and we were just deciding that it'd probably be best. So we kind of just had a play, played with the slides, played with the little ones, everything like that. So yeah, we just thought it'd be good to have a run around and a bit of a play with, because it was cold. That's the main part. And then we decided to head off. So yeah, we got the car journey home, got a KFC, and just done what we did.
Come on, we're going to pull this elephant, come on.
We haven't gone on the slide yet?
No.
Alright, we're going it in a bit, yeah?
Yeah.
Alright.
But let's see the...
Nope, still no bears. No bears. Oh well. Oh, and most important of all, if ever you go to a zoo and you get the chance, always see the penguins. Penguins are the best. So yeah, always see the penguins. Because everyone always forgets the penguins, and the penguins are amazing. But yeah.
Fish! Fish!
It started with a car journey, a very, very long car journey. We waited for the. Do you mind?